let me take a moment to thank today's sponsor, the Chat Box. The Chat Box is a fellow YouTube and Twitch streaming channel where they focus on content ranging from Apex Legends to Salt and Sanctuary and even Divinity Original Sin. Guys, their content is very entertaining, and I find the banter, the back and forth between the guys to be extremely fun to listen to. So please do go give them a look. There will be links to both channels in the description below. Tell them the Shane from Scary if Literal sent you. And now, on to the video.
Yeah.
SOCOM was basically this on a smaller scale. It was the same. I mean, I made a video like a couple of years ago about how Sony closing down Zipper, who made well, I think they didn't make the last SOCOM, but they made the good SOCOMs. If they had foresight on this whole BR thing, they could have been PUBG. Like, it would have been no big deal if they already had like a good SOCOM game out that didn't totally, like, you know, run from what made them good, you know, obviously. Yeah. But if they had a game like this already out, and, you know, to have had the ability to quickly pivot, you know, and be like, we're going to add a BR mode to this game that people are already playing. SOCOM would have been the perfect fit for it, you know? But they didn't, so they killed that studio and killed that game, and they had an opportunity there. Just so you know, my loadout is not going to be great for mid-range. It's a big old shotgun and a sniper rifle. I don't think I've ever won with the DBS before. Dude, don't show me your ass. What the fuck? See that shit? Show me their ass. Oh, there's someone near me.
On the hill, 170.
There's two. There's the guy on the hill. There's somebody else. Two.
Got the one on the hill. The other one's like right here on the wall.
These robots, man, they're getting dumber. Feel the power of the DBS. Okay, well, they're dead. That was some free loot. I consider them more of like loot packages than anything else, you know?
Yeah, pretty much. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, they're not really...
They're not enemies.
Yeah, they're really just...
Dude, I figured it out. That's how they came up with the loot truck. They just made a bot bigger. Okay. Ooh, M249. I love the M249, man. I love that gun. You get all this, just all the 5.56 you can muster. Extended mag and a stock on that sumbitch. And you can just... I think someone's...
I'm in your building.
Someone else is here too. Yeah. They might be in this building.
Yeah, they just came in. He opened the door behind me, I think. Yeah, bottom on outside door. Yep.
Ooh. Who wants some? Oh, that sounds close.
Yeah.
But
really
the rain might cover our approach, if they're even people, which I don't think that they are. I don't know. Who knows, man.
The real question is, who the fuck were they shooting at? Each other?
Yeah, I think so. Now there's someone else up the hill, right? They just fired like up, like
That's
east.
what I thought.
I think I found them.
I was about to say, because there's nobody up here.
Fucking bots, man. This is like 80% robot.
Right here, right here.
Not the right range for the DBS, but I made contact nonetheless. I'm gonna go DBS him. Here I. Aw. He's gonna run his ass down. Oh shit. Like right in front of me. He's crossing right over there. He's gonna be visible. He's visible now. Tagged him. He's in the water. Knocked him. Finish him. I say you, he dead.
280
Said
on
his
the hill,
friend.
towards the rock, closer to the rock, I guess.
Okay, yep, I see.
Okay, nasty
Oh shit!
Shot. Hello, on top of me. Coming around to the right. Oh, from the houses.
Yeah. I'm gonna come get you where you're at now. I can't believe I DBS'd that guy from that range. Oh man, we're in trouble. We're gonna have to kill that fucker before like you need to heal, and I'm gonna try and just you know what? We just need to move. Ah fuck, he's outside the building and I'm fucking missed. Missed again. Okay, just get on this rock. There are so many people over there, dude.
Oh! Hey!
Awesome.
Okay, 2 people up the hill, coming down,
Yep.
25.
Okay, just... Oh, that's a good shot. Fuck, I missed him.
I looked at that video that showed about the aiming with the sights and shit. He's speaking. Gave him a
Yeah,
headshot.
I got shot by the guys over that way. I'm trying to get next to this rock, but this is probably gonna be the end for us. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get me. Just keep running. Circle's gonna do a lot of damage at this point. Tough break on the circle. Good try.
Oh, I thought I killed him. Damn.
Oh, the rando knocked one of the other two. He's got circle priority. It looked like an easy win. Now they are in trouble. It's a one-on-one. And I think he is in the circle down there. Will the solo random guy win? This guy continues to throw terrible grenades. Oh, he's gonna get to revive his teammate. Okay, rando's up. Oh, why would you do that, rando? Oh man, he gave it to him at the end.